So friends, last time in the last lecture we saw the structure of hair. Now it is very important for promoting any hair product. You need to know the chemical composition of hair. What the hair consists of, because you must be having a number of molecules in your hair supplement. So why the hair supplement has these molecules, that should you should know only by the chemical composition of hair. So the chemical composition of hair is composed of protein in the form in the hair follicle called keratin. So the hair, it is 90% one protein called keratin. This is where the hair shaft begins, like, and living cells form journey upward through the hair follicle. Now you must be remembering my lecture of skin anatomy and physiology. In that had spoken about that the keratinocytes, the cells keratinocytes, they have the property of moving upwards from the dermis towards the stratum corneum. So this process is called as keratinization. The journey of the cells moving from the dermis towards the stratum corneum, this process is called as keratinization. As the cells mature, they are filled with, as we know that keratinocytes are filled with keratin. So as the cells mature, they are filled up with fibrous protein called keratin. They move upward, they lose their nuclei, and they die. But what they do, they release keratin in the hair as well as in the skin. So what is the chemical composition of hair? The chemical composition of hair is 90% protein. This protein is made up of long chain of amino acids like L-cysteine, L-leucine, L-arginine, L-lysine, and etc. and number of amino acids in this, but the most important is L-cysteine. Also, the hair is consist of 5% of cons, that is carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. This further becomes like the minerals and the vitamins to the hair. It is very important. This slide is very important you to know what the hair chemical composition of hair consists of. It consists of proteins, 90% protein, that is keratin, which is amino acids, as well as carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, as well as sulfur. Now, this long chain of amino acids, they are joined together like pop beads, right? So if you can see uh, in this picture, so this is amino acids, this amino acid as well as this amino acid, they are joined together with a bond that is called as the peptide bond. When this long chain of amino acids are linked by peptide bonds is called polypeptide bond. That means when one chain of amino acid containing multiple peptide bonds are joined with multiple peptide bonds of long chain of amino acids, these bonds these bonds are polypeptide bonds. They are joined multiple times, so it is polypeptide bonds. When these amino acids they form together, this is polypeptide bonds. But when this long chain of amino acid, that is a helix-like structure, is joined to another helix-like structure with a bond of this kind, this is side bond. So there are side bonds in the hair also, and these side bonds are of three types: hydrogen bond, salt bond, and disulfide bonds. So if you can see in this picture also, it is the same thing. So we will see one by one. What is a hydrogen bond? This hydrogen bond is a very weak physical side bond. When it is easily broken by water or a light heat. Wetting of hair can also break the hydrogen bond. So if you see, when a person baths in the morning, after that, even if he has curly hair, his hair goes straight. That is because the hydrogen bond is broken. The second bond is salt bond, which is which is again a weak physical bond, but it is not broken by only water, but it is easily broken by alkaline solution, strong alkaline solution, or acidic solutions only. And depend on the pH of the water or any solution, this bond breaks. The third bond, which is a strong bond, that is the disulfide bond. This strong chemical bond is broken by extreme heat or water only. Extreme water. So permanent waves as well as chemical relaxers. By this only this bond gets broken. So this is the chemical composition of hair. In the next lecture, we will see about the most important part of hair, that is the hair growth cycle. Thank you.